Hi, this is Brian Fogarty, and this is a video for Chapter 13 of the book Quantitative Social Science Data with R, second edition. And in this video, we're going to do is quickly look at how to run a multinomial probit. So as I discussed in the previous videos, multinomial probit does not assume IIA, and so a lot of people like to use it. The problem is that it's often computationally intensive to run, but each year faster computers, so it becomes easier and easier. But it's still pretty fickle with small n's. So let's take a quick look here. So we are going to use the same function and setup and everything like that we did previously with multinomial logit when we use the mlogit function. So this is from previous video. So I'm just going to copy that and paste it in. And then if we were to save it, we would save this as mprobit. I just realized this should be, we should have saved this as mlogit. It's fine. Okay, so to run this, everything is the same as we had before, except now we're going to include the option probit equals true. All right, that's it. That's the only difference from before. We highlight it, and then we're going to run it. Now, depending on your computer and the data, it might take a little while to run. Because, again, it's computationally intensive to do the estimation on it. So I think this is actually taking a little longer than I anticipated. But I'm going to pause the video. We can come back. Oh, there we go. All right. I knew it was going to. I was like, it doesn't take that long. But it's very easy for that to kind of seem like it's stalled. So I believe if we included all of the outcome categories that we had originally for partisan identification, it would not have converged. It would have taken forever. I think, let me see. Well, okay, I'm not going to mess around with it, but I'm trying to remember, because I haven't tried it in a while, whether it converges after a really long time and gives us answers, but then tells us the answers are messed up, or it just seems like it's stalled and I wind up getting frustrated and stop it. Either way, it's not good. Okay, so the output is here. I'm not going to go too much into it, but we see that the results, our conclusions are roughly the same as we had from mlogit, which makes sense because we did not violate IIA. Okay, so that's it for this video. The next videos are on doing interpretations of specifically multinomial logit. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.